Mama, why it is important to learn English language?
English has become the most important language in our life today. A person who moves on behind a mad race of competition without English. We require English if you want to become interested in a reasonable job. English is an important language. If you sit and talk with experienced person, you know English. Without English, you can't talk with foreigners and you can't progress in your life.
But Mama, some of my friends says that we also used to speak Hindi language, our national language, not at English all.
My dear child, they are wrong to saying that. It is right that Hindi is our national language and we must respect it. But we should not ignore any other important language. We must give respect to all language equal. And English is the important language in the world.
So Mama, how we improve our personality to speak English language?
English language increase our personality. When we talk in English, English make us smarter than before. English it make us attractive, cool, and decent, etc. You may see the difference. You may see the difference. Sir, एक minute. You may see the difference. Yes, Mary. English make ourselves. English increase our personality. It make us smarter than before. It make our look attractive, cool, and decent, etc. You may see the difference by observing personalities speaking English or non-speaking English.
So Mama, you say that English makes us better human beings. How it is so?
Because most of the greatest thinker are English knowing person. The books written by them all are in English. When we read it, we come close than God and nature.
Thank you, Mama, for giving the enlightenment of this subject of English.
It's all right. May God always bless you, my dear child.